Welcome to Dell Technologies PowerScale OneFS Break-Fix Series. Rollback from advanced ACL to synthetic permission using CHMOD. Reference Dell Knowledge Base article number 199996. This video demonstrates how to roll back from advanced ACL to synthetic permission using CHMOD. This video helps in reverting from advanced ACLs to regular synthetic ACL. Note, this presentation is performed only using the CHMOD command. When to do this? To remove advanced ACLs from the desired files directories using the CHMOD command. To reset the ACLs as regular POSIX synthetic ACL on a particular file/directory via CHMOD. Before you begin, the steps that are demonstrated in this video can be performed by a person having a basic knowledge of Linux. Role could be Linux admin, Linux support engineer, etc. Root access is needed for PowerScale storage. PuTTY tool would be required to SSH into PowerScale storage. And an understanding how permissions work. Demonstration to show. Rollback from advanced ACL to synthetic ACL. Please open a PuTTY session. Run the command "Who am I" and verify that you have logged in as a root user. Locate the location where you would like to revert the advanced ACL. Select the file or folder you want to change the advanced ACL. Confirm the advanced ACL for the selected file using command lsled space the file name. Notice the plus sign which denotes the advanced ACL for the file. Execute chmod-b755 file name to revert to basic POSIX bits from advanced ACL. Verify that the advanced ACL has been removed from the file. Notice, the plus sign has disappeared, proving that the advanced ACL has been removed from the file. Important notes. You should not see advanced ACL for the files and directories that the action was performed on. This command would take a few seconds to complete on the file, but could take additional time on directories as there could be many subdirectories within it. Reference: Dell Knowledge Base article number 199996. Thank you for watching.